where to find a chest for nature, fairies in Campus 3. So you basically go underneath these portals. Remember to follow the mushrooms. I love Campus 3. Like and subscribe if you do too. So now we're at the forest part. Follow me. As I said earlier, follow the mushrooms until the pond. Do you want more videos like this? Well, if you do, please tell me in the comments. We are almost there. We're here. Now, go to the vines and use your magic. After you do, go forwards in the cave until you see a chest. It will be light when you see the chest. The chest has 1,750 diamonds, by the way. I found it. That's it for today now. Have a nice day, everybody. Bye. The reset animation is cool.